Okay. So dito i-share ko mat tuloy na jay diniscuss ni knowledge kakaro tatang panawon nga talaga nga ti education tayo kat very focused talaga iti Western science. Yeah? So ituloy ko jay istoryana kumbaga. So the elders ijay by the way syakot may sakmat nga kan-kana ngam kanayon dangan nga mapagkamalan nga Tagalog kan-kana uyak. Nakakasat pag lagi akong sinasabi, ay, igurot ka pala, igurot ta. Kapag na pang kita nga itsura, dapat igurot. Ayan. So, kan-kana ayun yan, no? Jay bulislis nga side, ijay kibungan. Ngam kami gamin nga din makil ijay. Kasla nga mas, ijay kami, ilin ni nanang ko, ijay Lubon, Tadjan, Mountain Province. Yeah. Ngam, jay roots ni mama, adamat lang ti roots na nga tublay. Ngam kami mat lang nga, din makkel ijay. Ngam no, sino ti members ti clan nga Biskila Uyan from Tublay, isudyay ti magapuak mat lang nga clan. Iso nga kasla mix-mix kasjay. So anyway, so, walang duda po. Isa po ako. Member din ng indigenous community. Okay? So, ijay sagada, the elders identified 7 causes of mental illness. Ijay may isa, nabanggit ni Karil Tatay. So, dahito ijay kung kunada nga, nakatban sin takba. Okay? So, jay takba is like a house of a spirit. Ba? So, masapol nga pakanom, jay takba. Kas anong pakanan? Through a ritual. Kat adangay ito maikarga nga makan. Karnin ti manok. Kasi karnin ti baboy. So, naritualan. Yan. So, no, haan mo nga pakpakanan di ay, ibig sabihin nag-decompose jay karga na. Baga. Mabalin nga agitod ti sakit. Kasama na doon ang mental illness, kumbaga. Ngam no ko kanayon mo nga pakpakanan, yung suksukatam jay meat ijay uneg titakba, it will also bring blessings to the family or to the clan who owns the takba. So jay takba katan nga bagin ti may sa tao or may sa pamilya, may sa nga clan yay. So jay ritual kadalasan iaramid mo't lang jay clan. Okay? So, anya ti symptoms nga, ibagada nga na-observe da no, nakatban ti takba kasi, increased appetite. Kasi garod katan mo nga, pinakpakan jay, takba gamin, han mga sinuksukatan jay karnina, kumbaga. Diba? So, day, man papauba. Kasi kunada, jay spirit ti takba, mabalina nga, iposes nga, jay family member, no sino man jay clan member. Oh. Kat ijay may isa nga case gamin, ubing, jay spirit. Ubing nga natay, gapo iti head-taking idi. So jay takba nga datatakit ko, taawanan mo ti head-taking, di ba? So, old. So nga, including syempre jay spirits nga ada, ijay. Iso ka nga agpapauba, kasi jay spirit guard kat ubing. Okay? And then, walking around, naked and refusal to go out from one's bedroom. So, anya ti response da dito. Meaning, anating kastada nga ng aga. So, sagang ditakba or senga. And mind you, how would you repute when they themselves would tell you na agasan? Walangan nga kunam, di ba? Diba? We are talking here about a family, a clan, and an ili even. Because of course, hindi namang clan lang ang pupunta. Ay, hang kayo nga member ti clan, hang kayo umay. Diba? So, of course, we're talking about a family, a clan, but essentially it's the ili doing the ritual. Yeah. Okay, and then the second down na cause of mental illness is refusing the gift to heal from the spirits. Hearing voices, feeling sick, difficulty communicating and socializing. And mind you, hearing voices is a, what? Sa mga psychology major dito, is a symptom. Ay, so, hearing voices ay quotes, like psychotic episode, kunada nga dagos ijayan. And that can present a problem. Are you going to tell us that all the healers here who claim to have gained their gift because spirits spoke to them are all psychotic? Or that they all have mental disorders? So we also have to be careful in ticking that box, kumbaga, when hearing these kinds of statements, especially from IPs living in an ILI. Diba? So, how would you heal from this? It is to accept the gift. And almost all of these healers would say the symptoms kasi yun ang term na intindihan natin sa mainstream, stopped when they accepted the gift. Dapat damang dapat istorya nga, kasla nga magbagnakanukot pula jay spirit isu na tao di girl na nga dengdenggan jay baggana jay kas jay. Oh. Okay. And then ito nadamdamayan. So they ate a poisonous mushroom, particularly tadtadukan yay kanu ti awag. And in fairness, there are indeed certain species of mushroom that can cause that can affect yung ating mental functioning, right? Okay? So, kung yung isang tao daw na yon after na kumain ng, kunyari, mushroom, or kunana nga nagpakada nga, apanak man, agala ti mushroom dita, agapit ti mushroom kasi, tas, syempre di assumption kat niluto na, kinana, tas, bigla nga, sabali ang ti behavior niya, that's assumed na ay, baka ti, kinana nga, or naala na nga mushroom ka jay, tadtadukan, ganyan. So, nagkakaroon daw ng temporary insanity. Okay? So, anya ti aramidan da, kuna iturog na lang kat may kat, or drinking tapoy, or maapurusan ti suka. Diyan kasi ginom, maapurusan diyan pagina kasi sa kasi ti suka. Okay? So, temporary insanity. And then, sabi din naman nila, kinakapsut di num-num. Kapsut, di ba usual? Tayo din naman, we also say that. Nakapsut di num-num na. Okay? So, anya, kasi ano nga makita, ti kastoy, person withdraws from socializing with people. Anya, rumomarja balayda, kasi cannot engage in a sensible conversation. Madhan nga mapuot, ti bagbagana. Ako namin ko, mga kaslakam conformity, bagbagana. Cannot engage in productive work. So, diyan nga makatrabaho kasi ano nga mabaon. Hence, he's unable to support his or her needs. So, anya ti responses da di na-encounter da daytoy, may isa ka jay daw is nga na i-discuss tatay, which is a healing ritual, sapo, or the prayers, and one sought professional help from a psychiatrist. Okay? So, at tamot latati, makita tayo dito nga, dalatati, access da iti Western medicine, kumbaga. Ba? And then, another cause daw of mental illness is drugs. So, may salangot na ito yung tao, ha? So, naging violent the behavior na, can no longer hold sensible conversation, and can no longer work. So, in pandadaytoy ijay, iti mental rehabilitation center in Manila. Nguman ngayon mimbag. Ijay kamot nga makakuha. Siyempre, damagam inmimbag ba? No dinamag mo inmimbag ba, jay na ritualan? Huwan ko nada. Nya nga iti may bagam, no ti answer. Dakot inmimbag ba, jay na pan ijay rehabilitation center. Saan na isubli ijay? Ili. Okay, sobra ay laing. O, diba? Dito ito binebe. Sobra ay laing. Solving math problems na hanamat nga inalal. O. Wanting to turn cat into bread. Okay. Ito, wala silang in-identify na response, no? And then, fully. You see, they also acknowledge yung genetic na factor ng mental illness. Diba? So, ano ngayon ang ibig sabihin nito tungkol sa experience ng mental illness within the context of an indigenous worldview? Okay. So, tingnan ko lang yung kodigo ko, ha? Okay. Para kompleto. So, in other words, mental illness in an indigenous worldview is always intertwined with his or her relationships. Ito sa kanayon nga, pagbagatay, di ba, relations to oneself. So nga ko nada nga, nakapsot gamti, panunot na, kinakapsot di, num-num, kunana ijay. Relations with the physical environment, so nga dati ibagada nga, nadamdamayan. Okay? Nga pa'y, spiritual relations, so nga dati ibagada nga, nakatbanti, takba. Okay? And social relations. So, syempre, kanino mo ba natutunang mag-take ng drugs? For example, perhaps sa nakasalamuha mo nung lumabas ka sa ili because they were quick to point out nga nga ditoy. Kaslangahan nga ditoy, tinaka, adalat nga ng usarti, drugs kasyay. And of course, biological din. Isu nga, dati ko nada nga, puli, kumbaga. Okay? So, okay. Nga pa. So, anong implication niya tungkol naman sa healing in an indigenous community? So, healing, sabi niya dito, they have an experience on what works. Diba, no kuma scientific data experimentation, kasi, diba, isuda mismo ti subject. No, tagada Western, mayroon silang mga rats dyan or ano ba yung mga ina-experiment. Sila mismo. We're talking about not just one person, but an entire community here. So if you're questioning the rigor of their experimentation, well, you talk to the entire Ili and talk to the ancestors because the knowledge has been passed on to them, di ba? So, they have an experience on what works. Kaya nga ibagada, ay, iturog na lang dayta, ginom lang ti tapoy, aprusan lang ti suka, malpas. Di ba? And healing also entails a harmonious spiritual and social relations. Iso nga importante nga, when we talk about indigenous healing, hindi talaga mawawala ang spirituality. The Western experts would focus on the medicinal plants because that is the IK that fits their framework. Diba? Yan ang tendency. Herbal medicine, in fact, saan ba galing yung Laguna yan? Saan ba galing yung... Perhaps many of them came from indigenous knowledge. Dinala lang ng mga companies sa laboratory, tinest, etc., etc. It became a capsule. And suddenly, it became more acceptable, whereas yung galing mismo sa bilig or the mountain, kasi pa may doubt, kumbaga. So, importante, lagi hindi maiiwasan ang spirituality. Now, like kong sinasabi, kung ang mainstream religion sasabihin sa'yo na pwede kang dasalan si Santo, ano bang difference nun sa ancestral spirits? Parehong tao, parehong patay. At least yung isa, kamag-anak mo. Yung isa, nasa Europa, kilala mo ba? Diba yung gano'n? So, my point lang is, why is it so easy for us to accept what is mainstream? But from our own communities, bakit we always doubt? Parang ganyan. Bakit we can doubt? Di ba parang, gumawa ko pa ng altar, kumbaga. Pero pag ancestor mo na ang usapan, ay, bakit? Eh, yun ang dahilan kung bakit buhay ka in the first place. Yun ang, di ba? So we have to, when we talk about spirituality, we really have to confront so many things. And I understand that it is not easy. It is not. And it's not our fault because we are living in a in a society na masyadong mabilis yung change. Right? And I understand also that we need to adapt to those changes. Kumbaga. Okay, so anyway. So ano ngayon ang implication niya sa mental health services or programs, for example, in some indigenous communities? So perhaps we might rethink individual and cognitive-focused psychotherapy to something that is community-driven. Let us involve the community. Tatay, ado di bagbagayo nga, ano yung mga binabanggit kanina? Mga pusposes, kaskadanyata. Instead of you gathering in a particular place, for example, ay nakarating sa inyo nun na experts, then you have to do something about it because your office is tasked to do something about it. Instead of you planning by yourselves, what if you go to the community and let's see what we can do? You involve them in the planning. Sila na yung staff mo, yung clinical staff mo, sila yung peer counselors mo, kumbaga. Diba? Yung ganon, community-driven. Okay? Let us not be detached from our clients, parang ganon. We have to involve them, kumbaga. And relational healing. We are an indigenous community, and if you agree, collectivist, although of course sa panahon ngayon, because of globalization, capitalism, our Western education, marami talagang pagbabago sa values natin. But if you look at the core of who we are as indigenous communities, we are a collectivist. Okay? We are a collectivist society. Binanggit kanina ni Kyle yung ili. Di ba kanayin tayong umangag dyan, it takes a village to raise a child. So, in our own terms, siguro, it takes an ili to raise a child. Perhaps it also takes an ili to heal a child or a person for that matter. Ang problem siguro sa atin na IPs or even non-IPs, especially na nakatira dito sa urban setting, is we are detached from the ili. We are so detached from the ili. So, when we want to embrace, if we are serious about trying to find a compromise between indigenous knowledge and the mainstream health system, whether it be focused on psychological or physical, we have to, tama yung sinabi ni Karil, we have to go back to the ili. What kind of ili are we living in today? Or what kind of ili are our clients living in today? And we have to understand the dynamics of that ili. Let us not take all the work, kumbaga. Diba? Kasi inadal mo the theories nga inadal mo, according to this, you can discuss it anytime. Okay. But then we're talking here about a group of people who are living in a particular ili, and that ili has certain dynamics that is affecting who they are. And so, we have to go back to that ili. Ba? So, kailangan natin, kaya ang term ngayon is remembering. Tayo na mga IPs, because we are so educated already, we are starting to forget who we are. So as we learn new things, yes, let us go out there and learn as many as we can. But as we continue to learn, we hope that we will not forget who we are. Because siguro naman, yes, there are things that we have to let go, head-taking, for example. But perhaps there are also certain things that we have to keep. And we cannot do that. We cannot know the things that we need to keep as we move forward if we do not stop, look back, and remember. Remember who we are. Ayun lang po. And maraming salamat.